We're almost done with the word search. Here we go. If the letters belong to HTML, here's what happens. The number of words to be found is reduced to 1, and the player earns 1 point. The HTML image and text return to their original colors. For the letters that belong to HTML, we add the btn wordComplete HTML class, so they take on the color of the word they represent. We use the value of words to display the count of remaining words, and the value of points to determine whether the user has won. Now we need to do the same for the CSS word. When we get to the JavaScript word, you may notice some differences how we implement the logic we are currently working on. Let me finish this block of code, and then I explain something to you. In validate.js, we have the validate_word function with additional arguments. The new arguments are the letters in common and the classes that represent the Bootstrap and React words. In this particular case, violate word evaluates whether the letters in common has been clicked or are already part of the words the user has previously found. In validate.js, we have the wordComplete function with more arguments than usual. Essentially, the word JavaScript is composed of two letters in common. If these letters are styled by other words previously found by the player, they will be updated to reflect the JavaScript word. Now we need to work on validating the Bootstrap word. This time, we will focus on a single letter in common in the validate word and wordComplete functions. As you can see, the first letter in common is the one that connects the words Bootstrap and JavaScript. The word SAS has no letters in common with other words, so it will be easy to implement its validation. The next word is React. The word React has only one letter in common. In this case, we will use the second letter from the letters in common array in the validate word and wordComplete functions. Only the evaluations for the words get and npm are left. The word get has no letters in common. We do the same for get, but this time we apply it to the word npm. We have programmed the evaluations for each hidden word. The next video we will be final step to complete the word search once and for all. We just need to call the evaluations for each word every time the player clicks on the letters in the minigame.